You may be wondering, do you need a website in order to advertise on Nextdoor? If that is the question you are asking yourself, this video is for you. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer Sargeant. I am the creator of Digital Sargeant. I own a local business digital marketing agency, and I am an expert local business digital marketer. The reason why you're watching this video today is because you're interested in advertising on Nextdoor, which, by the way, I have an entire playlist about Nextdoor advertising. I'm gonna link a thumbnail to that right here. So be sure to check that out after this video. But you're interested in advertising on Nextdoor, but you don't have a website, so you're not sure if you can advertise on Nextdoor. Technically, yes, you can advertise on Nextdoor. Instead of linking out to a website, you would just link your Nextdoor organic business profile. This can be done if you're using the light version or if you're using the NAC, the Nextdoor Ad Center. And if you don't know the difference between those two, you definitely need to check out the playlist that I'm going to link below as well. But as an expert digital marketing ad buyer, it would be very bad for me to advocate for somebody or business owner to link back to a Nextdoor profile whenever they're advertising. And here's why. So yes, the things that you have on your website would be similar to what you have in your Nextdoor profile, but your website's going to give you an opportunity to do bigger and better things. Let's not forget about the fact that it's going to help you establish trust quickly with your potential lead or your potential customer. I don't know any massively successful local small medium business that functions without a website. So number one, keep that in mind. Whenever you are advertising on Nextdoor, there's a good chance that you are in the home improvement industry, home services industry, something to do with serving your community, whether you're pressure washing, landscaping, driveway repair, handyman, contractor, bathroom remodel, energy audits, appliance repair, etc., etc. So there's already an element of trust that needs to be established between you and your potential customer, and that is where your website comes into play. Now, on your website, you can have things that are on your organic business profile on Nextdoor, such as photos of the work that you've done, testimonials, your story, a contact button. All of these things are typically on your Nextdoor organic profile, but it adds an extra layer of building trust. So if you reach out to me, and I get this question all of the time, can you advertise my business using the NAC, Nextdoor Ad Center? Since I'm a Nextdoor advertising partner, I have access to the Nextdoor Ad Center. Without a website, I'm going to pump the brakes right away and tell you, first, you need a website, and then I'm going to explain why. So technically, yes, you can do it without a website, but if there's any digital marketer that tells you, it's totally fine, you should probably run for the hills. If you have any more questions about Nextdoor advertising, please be sure to drop a comment below. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. It really helps me out a lot and gives me more momentum to create more videos just like this to help local and small medium business owners. I'll see you in the next video.